once again, this is the super short review, hopefully, of this. This is 11/08, 14 July, Thursday, 2022. Okay. I bought this thing way back when from this guy, Agent Orange, Chris Heiler. There it is. Here, you can read that. You can zoom in to the, well, here, let me zoom into the screen briefly. Come on. Okay. There's that. And then that little picture, and that picture, this picture, that picture, and that one, and that one, that picture, this picture, that view, the back view, and the input view. Okay, and then so now let me zip over to my pictures. Here are the pictures when I took this thing apart back in 25 of April 2022. That's the front. There's the that end of it. Okay, and then the other end. This has a mains and battery position. Okay, so mains is on, and when it's an off, you can run it on batteries. Alright, there's the back view. Again, there it is, 900s. Okay, there's the top view, the bottom view. The batteries go in there. Takes 4D batteries. Alright, screws. Okay, inside. This is on a chassis, so once you have the screws out and the back off, you can just basically lift this thing out once you remove all the knobs and such from the front and from the side. Okay. And that's the inside of the back, right? That's the inside of the front. That's the unit itself. And that's pretty much as far as I got to back in April. Okay. And then this thing sat on my table until yesterday when I finally got a chance. And these two are the pictures. This is the other one. The comparison between the two of the 900 and the 9000. Okay, so, and that's it. So there's the 900. So now let me come over the other pictures. Wait. All right. So let me back up to the beginning of this. Well, okay. So this is the first picture I took. Again, of the inside of the unit, and then, or no, that's the first picture I took. I'm sorry. Then I removed the 4 screws. Wait, go back. I removed the 4 screws from 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Removed those 4 screws, okay, and then was able to get to this here, which is the this is a recording bar switch. Notice how long that is. Wow, that's really long. And then here's the function selector switch right there, which there it is. Anyway, and then here's a better picture. That goes into that. And this is spring loaded and it's hard to, anyway, maneuver. Okay. And then here I cleaned it with, stuff. And then I showed you the inside. Here's another picture. That's where the belts are. You just get to that and replace the belts. That's the counter belt, that's the main belt. It only takes 2 belts, best I know. And then here I cleaned it with, cleaned the function switch with some deoxit, okay. And then here's another view of the switch as it goes back into its position, and like that. And then I cleaned the little leaf switches with a flat file, okay. And then that's a picture of the top controls, and I cleaned all of those, and put stuff in those, all right. And that's the end of it there, and there's the other model over here on the floor. Okay, so anyway, and then that's it. So now, okay, and then this was this here. Okay, so there's that. So I'll leave that up. Now, I'm going to widen this thing out. Like I said, I'm going to give me a wide out. There we go. Okay, so now, widen that out. Move the camera down. So, because now that I've been playing with these machines a little bit, I've actually got the Japanese domestic model to work somewhat. But let me put my headset on my thing here because I went through that with that. Okay, so now this is the Okay, this is the 900s. This is the one that I've done. Let me see here. It takes batteries in the bottom. I'm not going to go through that, but it's running on batteries because it's not plugged in, as you can see. Okay, so give me my tape out of this one. There's the tape out of there. Oh wow, it ate the tape. Oh good grief. I swear. Okay, give me a second while I fix my tape. Last, well, I'm not going to be able to fix that, just the old finger trick. Could use a pencil, but I don't have one handy. I do have them, but they're over there. So, oh, come on now. Great. Okay, so now eject this in here. Play. This one does that, and it goes that way. It stopped, and then we put it at the radio. And this is where we have the issue with this selector switch here on top. This doesn't like to stay in the radio position. It just won't stay there. Now, if you turn the rhythm on, it takes a moment for the rhythm to come up, and then put it back on mixer. There we go. So and we've got that, this, and that, this. See that working, right? And you can adjust the volume. You can also adjust it here. Alright, so all that works like that. And you can turn the radio on like that. And then you turn this off. Turn this on, you can hit play on the tape. So go back to the tape. Right, so, anyway, okay, so hit stop, eject. Alright, like I said, this is going to be the super quicker, faster one, right? So let me just move this over here like this. Put this there. This one's also got batteries in it. This is a Japanese domestic model. This is the Sony, let's see, if I say it on the back. This is the Sony CF-9000, okay? Also a rhythm capsule model, but this is a Japanese domestic model. And this one, again, let's see, eject, put your tape in. This one needs a new belt, but it will play. Okay, so what does play, right? And now this one won't. It won't do that, but it will do that. Okay. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, basically. So yeah, it will do that. Okay, great. So that shows that.
To God, I'm screaming at the top of my lungs. Maybe at God. We just see what we see in the...
Oh, Chico, hard seltz. Consiglio requisito. Honor up.
This one only goes up to 90. The other one here goes up to 108 on the dial for the FM. Both, and this one has shortwave as well as medium wave, which this one has as well medium wave. So that works like that. Now, if you turn the rhythm off and put it on mixing, this is where I was having an issue before. Let's see. Hit stop on that. Come on now. Well, okay, that's the radio. Oh, there we go. Okay, you have to have it on rhythm. So she can make it go faster or slower, and got that little thing there that have another control up here and turn it down this way. Okay, so anyway, so that's it. The radio works, tape player works. Probably needs new belt in the near future. And this one you go through the controls on. I have not done that. I did that with this model here. Okay, so now I'll just take this thing off the tripod and give you a close view of it, everything. Right, so like I tried to do before in my last little 30-minute long video. This is already 11 minutes long. Okay. I'm going to upload this in 2 different places. I probably put this one on Decent Man For You and the other one on Cassette to Go. For those of you that know the difference. Okay, so what happened? Why did it stop? Oh, I turned it off. Okay, so well, let's see, wait, volume. It's on. So it would make it confusing, but I'll turn them both on. So that. So anyway, so here's, like I said, here's this one. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. Put them both together. All right, so here's this and that one. All right, so there you go. They're both working, and they look like that. Okay, enough of that. All right, so here, let's do it this way. This one here, let's see here. Okay, this here. Turn the light on. All right. This one has the mains and whatnot feature. This one does not. This one has a little tiny micro switch right up in there that works. And this also takes a figure 8 plug. This one does not. And so I've got a different plug for each one. There's a plug that this is. Okay, let me show it to you like this. These have. It's not real good, but yeah. See how that one is closer to the other. This one here, which came off of a razor. All right. Will plug into there, and then the figure 8 goes into there, and I'll plug that with each individual thing. There's my feet. Okay. Let's see here. So that's how that works on that end. And then on this end here, all right. Okay. This one's missing the. This one's missing the. The rhythm remote, the mic remote, line and guitar, and earphone, ditto. Right. You got that? Understand that? Okay, so, alright, what else? And then the back, let's see here. They both have excellent antennas, or, good, they both have the ISS switch. Okay, so, here's this one, okay, and then over here, this one doesn't have all that, but there it is, that's the difference, okay. And the batteries go on the bottom. They take 4D batteries each one, right? I showed the ends, showed the tops. Alright, here, let's do this. Put it back on the tripod briefly and show you. So flip that around so I can see. Alright, so get that down here. Right. Get that. Put this on the floor. Put this up here. Right. There we go. Put that up here. So, can you see me? Move this down. So there's that. So, this has got, oh, I'm sorry. This has got energizers in here, right? So there's energizers in that one, right? The other one has the Zentner batteries, right? Here's the other one. This one has one with tape in it. One with the tape. Can't see that. There's the tape. Okay. All right. This one has Zentner batteries in it. There are the Zentner batteries, right? So these are Zentners. Anyway, they're similar to this, but those are the blue ones, the newest ones I got. All right. Okay. So, all right. All right. So, like I said, I'm going to pack these up and ship these out today. Okay. There we go. So. Yeah. camera. Yeah, I got the camera. Alright, so here's wide out. Great, so anyway, they both work. This one needs to be serviced. This one's been serviced, but that's all I know. Good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. I gotta go. Alright, yeah. Okay, yeah, that's it. Alright, here. Again, turn it off, you hit that. Oops. That in off position. This in the off position. That in that position. And you turn this off, and that turns it all off. Alright, so, and now they're both off. Good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.